Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes solution for Intel HD graphics. This computer does not meet the minimum requirements. Open Intel graphics driver file download location. Run the setup file. The screen displays this computer does not meet the minimum requirements. Right-click computer icon. Click Manage. Click Device Manager. Click Computer. Add legacy hardware. Click Next. Click the second option. Click Next. Click Display Adapters. Click Next. Click Have Disk. Browse the location of Intel graphics adapter driver file. Click OK. Select Intel HD graphics. Click Next. Intel HD graphics hardware is installed. Click Finish. Browse the Intel graphics download location. Click Setup. Click Next. Click Next. Intel HD graphics driver successfully installed. Restart your PC. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.